Hey you! Do you want to humiliate yourself on the internet? Do you want to depend on the frozen food section of your local Walmart for a decent meal? Do you want Gordon Ramsay to yell at you? No? Well then you should join Cooking Club.
Whether you're a master in the kitchen or you only know how to make a bowl of cereal, Cooking Club is the perfect place to test out your culinary skills.
Found a tasty looking recipe on Pinterest? Bring the ingredients over and see if you can make it for yourself. Or maybe invite your friends over for a group cooking session.
Do you want to learn how to make food for yourself? You don't have to order McDonald's every night. Here, you can work with more experienced members to learn new techniques and develop your skills.
You can also learn important life skills, such as how to safely navigate a kitchen, or how to use common kitchen appliances, such as ovens, mixers, stovetops, and whatever these are.
Did I mention you get to eat? At the end of every meeting, we gather around and try out the delicious dishes that other people have made.
So if you want to know how to cook without the assistance of a rodent, or if you don't want to end up like this lady, join Cooking Club.
We meet once a month in room 405 at TJMS. The club is open to all, but space is limited. So get cooking, Port Washington! See you this fall. Contact Riley Jones or Miss Federickson with any further questions. My name is Alex Johnvin. I am the former president of Cooking Club, and I do approve this message.